Hey guys, here's a new Blender tutorial about modeling low poly stones and pillars. I created these damaged pillar models for my Unity low poly game kit, and now I will show you how to model and texture this. First I add a simple cube and add my low poly material to it, and then I go to edit mode and scale it down till it fits the size of the other models. I remove the face at the bottom to keep the mesh as low poly as possible. Okay, after that I switch to edge selection and select the edges at the side, and then I press Ctrl and B to add a simple bevel. What we have now is a kind of undamaged pillar part, and the next thing I will do is to use my fast carve add-on to add some damaged areas. On the Fast Carve tab I set the target to the cube that we added, and after that I add a new cube, here at the 3D cursor, that I use to carve into the model. I scale it down and rotate it, and then I press the difference button, but don't apply the bool operation immediately because I want to see a live preview of the difference operation. Okay, once I'm happy with the result, I press the Apply Boolean, and then I move the cube for cutting to a new position at the top and repeat the Boolean operation. Again, scale, rotate and move the cube till you find a cut that you want to apply. And one more time at the other side of the cube. Again the difference button, then move, rotate and scale, and then I apply the boolean. Okay, this looks already quite nice. Now I use the knife tool to cut in a bit more geometry to the top of the mesh. Now that I have a few more polygons that I can work with, I can extrude out new geometry and move polygons around till I'm happy with the result. Alright, now the last part, UV unwrapping and texturing. First I open a UV image editor window and select the texture to which I added some 16 by 16 pixels color squares. You can create this by using any graphics program you like, for example Krita, Photoshop or GIMP. Then I select all in edit mode and press U and reset to unwrap the model. After that I scale all the UV islands down in the UV image editor and press G to move the islands to a color square, for example this gray one. Of course you can use any color you like, for instance a darker gray tone or a yellow one to create a kind of sandstone, no problem. And that's it. Now you can export the game model to a 3D engine of your choice like Unity, Unreal or Godot. Okay guys, I hope you liked this tutorial and my low poly modeling process. If you do, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.